Hi friends, welcome to Cooking Craft. This is Sadhana here. Before we go into the recipe, I would like to thank each and everyone for supporting me in this journey. If you like my recipes, kindly share it with your family and friends. And if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. And let's go into the recipe now.
For making sweet potato ladoos, we need very simple ingredients, and it's made very fast, and it's a very nice snack for the evening also. So I've taken some sweet potatoes, wash it very well because they have a lot of soil, so wash them. Then I've taken some cardamom powder here, little bit sugar as per your taste, and the coconut, grated coconut, fresh coconut I've taken, and a little bit of water to boil the sweet potatoes. I'm adding in these sweet potatoes into a pressure cooker and a glass of water, and we'll close the lid. We have given 3 whistles here. After the 3 whistles, we'll allow the cooker pressure to go and the potatoes to cool down. Meanwhile, let's see about the ingredients. I've just taken a little bit of cardamom powder. The tip here is to grind your cardamom powder in your dry mixer is to add some cardamom and a little bit sugar and grind it smooth, so you get a cardamom powder which you can use it for all your sweets. Now sugar we will be taking as per the taste. If you need more sugar or less sugar, we can add it accordingly to the sweetness of the potato. And the other thing is you can also avoid the sugar if you don't like, and make sure that you get some fresh grated coconut because that gives a very good taste to this recipe. The pressure is released now, so we are going to just check whether the potatoes are cooked. So we'll just take a fork or a knife and see, yes, it's cooked. So now we'll take it out in a plate. The potatoes have cooled down. Just to check, you have to remove all the skin like this. You can also break it and see it's cooked. So you can, if you're using a bigger potatoes, you can also give about 5 to 6 whistles depending on the size of the potatoes. These are our sweet potatoes have been peeled now. Now we will put everything in a container. And just smashing this potatoes, it's all done. It might look dry, but don't worry or add any water to it, because once we add the sugar, that will also melt. And here the tip is, do not use a powder sugar because it becomes very sticky. Now the sugar is according to your taste, you can add, but still I will be giving all the measurement by the end of the video. After adding the sugar, allow it to rest for about 5 minutes, and now we will use some cardamom powder, that's Elaichi powder, and let's give it a nice mix. Also friends, watch the video till the end. I will be giving the exact measurement for this recipe in the end of the video. Now we will add little fresh grated coconut, little bit, like about 2 to 3 spoons we will put here. Rest we will use later. Now we'll take the fresh grated coconut in a plate. Now we'll start making ladoos. You can just roll it like this. You can make the ladoos size as per your desire. And also this potato ladoos can be stored in the fridge for 3 to 4 days, and before having it, also just leave it in the fridge for half an hour and then have. It gives you a very good taste. I have made this size laddu 9, and now what we are going to do is we are just going to roll it in the coconut, and we'll just roll it gently like that so the coconut holds to the laddu. Friends, if you like my video, please share it with your family and friends, and also let me know in the comment box how you liked it.